Howdy, Gov friends! This video is intended to walk you through how to navigate Canvas to get through your first assignment. If you do not need that help, log off now. Okay, so our first assignment is Learning Target 1, Success Criteria 1. That's how it's named in Canvas. That's how it will be named in the grade book. Okay, the objective is to describe the purpose of government. Okay, and the big ideas are going to be what should government do, and what does government do, and how does government impact our lives, and how do we interact with the government. Over the next few days, we are going to be adding to that, then comparing and contrasting different governments and what different governments do and how different governments provide for the people, or how they work for the people or work against the people in some cases. So that's what we're going to start with, okay? All right. You are going to get an email with a Word document that I created that essentially compiles all of the little bits and pieces from the Canvas assignment onto one Word document. It's intended to kind of make it easier for you. It's kind of like a one-stop shop type of thing. And once you're finished with it, you simply email it to me. Okay, so like always, we are going to start at home. This is what you should see. Okay. We are going to come down to topic 1. We're just starting out, obviously. We did the warm-up discussion together. Thank you for your participation, reading through your introductions. It was interesting and fun. I feel enlightened. Okay, so we're going to be working through Success Criteria 1 and the check-in today. So you're going to go ahead and just click on Success Criteria 1. This takes you to our first lesson. And of course, it says right here, purpose of government, so you know that you're in the right place, okay? This is what it looks like. As you can see, it has the blue heading, so that means that we are going to work through this top part together. We're just going to read it together. You guys are going to answer the questions. We might answer the questions together, help, just kind of discuss that process, that information. And then you guys are going to come and continue down through the lesson plan. You're going to watch the video, answer the questions. You're going to keep scrolling down here. You're going to read this article and answer these questions. As you can see, it's really choppy in the Canvas course. To make your lives a little bit easier and make this more streamlined, I just simply copied and pasted everything into this Word document. Of course, it is titled Learning Target 1, Success Criteria 1, Purpose of Government. So you know you're in the right spot. After you're done reading that article that's on Canvas, we're going to do that together. You're just going to simply come and start filling in the answers right here. Easy peasy. You're going to, work on this document. Turn this into your project, your product, okay? After you're finished with that, here's the link to the video on Canvas. You don't even need to go to Canvas if you don't want to for that. Just click on the link, answer the questions as you are watching the video. It says that right here, answer video question, okay? Self-explanatory. Then you're going to get on here, step 5, and read the Thomas Hobbes and John Locke document. That is right here. See, the names are the same. So you can come read the document. As you're reading, you're going to you're going to take notes on these following questions, okay? Then, once you're finished taking notes and reading the article, you are going to come and answer these questions. In a social contract, who is involved, what is being exchanged, in a government, who is the government, how does does it ever change? Does what we think of government change? And then finally, your last step, oh, you've made it to the end of your assignment. You have a short 1 paragraph writing prompt. This is a discussion in Canvas, but I would suggest you just do it here. That way you can make sure everything is spelt right and all of the assignment can be in one spot. Okay? Again, instead of posting it on Canvas, I would suggest you write your paragraph right here in the document. Therefore, every part of the assignment is on one document, and therefore it's easier for me to locate, grade, it's faster. Being that we have 50 kids in this class, we have to streamline some things, and this is one way we're going to try it. So please help me in the attempt to see if this streamlines it. The writing prompt is describe the purpose of government. After you have went through this entire lesson, this question, this writing prompt, and the information to answer it will ooze out of you and onto the paper. Seriously. Some things that you must include in this short paragraph are things the government provides. What are those called? What are some examples? Give examples from your life, your everyday life, even. Why? It also include why people agree to have a government and any other tidbits you'd like to include in there. Okay, and then once you are finished with that writing prompt paragraph right here on the document, you are going to save it and you are going to email it to me. That's it. Easy. All right. Have a great day. Go team.